Hey everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we explored the basics of NFC, RFID, and infrared. Some really cool stuff, right? Well, today we are leveling up by diving into one of the Flipper Zero's most powerful features, sub-GHz frequencies. It's like unlocking a new realm of possibilities. This is where you can control the things like garage doors, car remotes, or even certain home automation systems. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. So let's keep things ethical. So, what exactly is sub-GHz? Basically, it's a range of radio frequencies below 1 GHz used by a lot of remote control devices like keyfobes, wireless sensors, and even smart locks. Flipper Zero can listen to these signals, save them, and in some cases replay or emulate them. Think of it as having your own universal remote for more than just your TV. To get started, you wanna head into the sub-gigahertz section on your Flipper Zero. The first option is read. This is how you capture a signal from a remote. Say you got a garage door opener, you just press the button on the remote while your Flipper is listening, and it captures the signal. Pretty cool, huh? Now, here's where things get interesting. Once you capture the signal, you can save it and replay. Imagine being able to open your garage without the remote. But hold up. Before we get too excited, keep in mind this only works on certain types of device and frequencies. Some remotes use rolling codes for extra security, which means you can't just clone them. Alright, let's try it out. I have got my flipper ready, and here's a simple remote for a wireless switch. I am going to hit read, press the button on the remote, and bam, flipper's got it. Now, if I go to save signals, I can choose to replay it whenever I want. No more hunting for lost remotes. But don't stop there. Sub-GHz isn't just for remotes. You can also use it to listen to other wireless devices like weather stations or certain sensors. It's kind of like tuning into your neighborhood's sacred frequencies. One important note though, not all devices are fair game. You can't and shouldn't go around capturing signals from things you don't own. Stick to experimenting with your own gadgets and always make sure you are playing by the rules. It's all about having fun without crossing any boundaries. If you are new to this, start with something simple like an old wireless remote you have lying around. Try reading and saving signals to get a feel for how Flipper Zero handles different frequencies. Trust me, the more you practice, the more you will realize just how powerful this little device is. And that's your introduction to sub-GHz frequencies. This feature opens up a whole world of possibilities with Flipper Zero. In the next video, we'll dive into more advanced stuff like analyzing signals and messing around with custom configurations. So, if you are not already subscribed, hit that button now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.